Hi everybody, welcome back to the dollhouse. Okay guys, we have McDonald's today. We are going to see what all the hype is about with this Big Mac of chicken, guys. We're gonna see. Baby Thought loves a Big Mac. That is my favorite burger from McDonald's. We are going to see what this chicken Big Mac is all about. Okay? We got some fresh french fries here. I made sure that I asked for no salt because I wanted them fresh. They're nice and hot. We got the Big Mac on deck, Big Mac sauce on deck. We have the Sprite on deck, and we have, I had to because just in case I don't like it, I got myself a McDouble. Got some salt, got some ketchup. We're going to see what the hype is all about. Let's see what this chicken Big Mac is all about, guys. All right, we got a second Big Mac sauce there, guys. Yes, let's see. Let's see what it's all about. We'll try this chicken Big Mac here. Some people are saying they like it. Some people are saying they don't like it. We're going to check it out here in the dollhouse and see if it is any good. Nice and fresh. Nice and fresh. If you ask for no salt, you will get them nice and fresh each time. And then just go home and put your own salt on it. Their salt is not different than ours. All right, thank you for coming back to the dollhouse, guys. I love me some Big Mac sauce. I love Big Mac sauce. Let's try this sandwich out. We're going to do a thumbnail here. Let's do a thumbnail here of this chicken sandwich. Yes, with some french fries. Do a thumbnail here. Here we go. Okay. Let's see. So we got 2 chicken sandwiches. We got some pickles, some lettuce, Big Mac sauce, cheese. I'm not going to put no ketchup on it because I haven't seen anybody else put any ketchup on it. But let's see what the Big Mac is all about. All right, let's see, guys. First bite to you guys. Let's try this. It's like my brain. It's like, where's the beef? Where is the beef? A Big Mac's supposed to be beef. Try another bite, guys. I'm kind of iffy with it. I'm gonna try one more bite, guys, but no. I don't know who came up with this. No. I'm sorry. No. 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 Hubby's gonna eat it, so don't worry, it's not going to waste. He already told me, you don't eat it, I'm gonna eat it. He will be eating it, guys. So don't worry about it. It is not going to waste. It is not me. Maybe you might like it. You know what I mean? Or something. No. I do not like the combination. The combination does not go good. But somebody else might like it. So I'm glad I got myself some McDoubles. I got myself 2 McDoubles just in case. Just in case I did not like it. And I don't like it, guys. Because I was just going to... If I liked it, I would have ate it and put this away. And had it later on or something. But no. I am going to have my McDoubles with my Big Mac sauce. And my French fries. Yeah, that's not rolling for me, guys. That is not rolling for me. Nope. Was not my flavor. Sorry. I don't think that actually goes together. Yeah, I need my beef. So that was a no for me, guys. I'm not saying it's disgusting. It wasn't disgusting. Okay? It's not for me. I did not like the Big Mac sauce with the chicken sandwich and all of that. And no. Nope. So, I'm okay with my McDoubles. I love me some McDoubles. So that's what we're having. Okay? I'm going to put some Big Mac sauce on them. I like my McDoubles with Big Mac sauce. I make sure I bring a spoon. That's the way I like my McDoubles. I'm going to use that salad, put it in here too. See, just pure Big Mac sauce. Yep, put it all up in there. Yep. There we go. Put this on there. Put some on the other one. And that's what we are eating, guys. I made my own Big Mac. Yes. Yeah, that was not rolling for me, guys. It was not. No. I tried it. I can say I tried it. You know what I mean? I tried it. I gave it a few bites. It's not like if I only took one bite, was like, no, I don't like it. I gave it a few bites for my brain to adjust to no beef. And no, it's not me. It's not for me. I suggest that you try it. You know, don't take, a lot of people like it. Some people don't, some people do. So I suggest that you try it yourself and see if you like it. You know what I mean? Just because I didn't like it, or just because, let's say, your friend tells you, yo, I tried it, I didn't like it, doesn't mean that it's not good. You know what I mean? I make sure I tell them no mustard. I don't like the mustard on my sandwiches, on my burgers. But there we have it, guys. We have 2 McDoubles that we are going to have. And we are going to dig in. I'm going to use this Big Mac sauce for my fries. I like to use them on my fries too. Yes, I do. So, that was the review of the chicken Big Mac. I hope you guys saw my Taco Tuesday video, guys, a few days ago. I made my tacos this time. They were good. They were very good. Yep. Yes, they were. If you go and try the chicken Big Mac, guys, make sure you let me know in the bottom if you did try it or you are going to go and try it. Let me know in the bottom what you thought about it. And I like the chicken sandwiches from McDonald's. It's not like if I don't like their sandwiches. I like their chicken sandwiches. Yep. Excuse me, sorry. Fell out of my mouth. This is good. I'll stick with my regular Big Mac. And like that. We are almost to 100, guys. That is so awesome. I'm so excited. So excited. When we reach 100, I'll make sure that I do a live. I'll do a live. I'm thinking of doing a all-you-can-eat live. Go to a all-you-can-eat place, Chinese or one of the places that we like to go. But it'll be all-you-can-eat. Actually, I was taking from my 100. I've been watching a lot of mukbangers. More now. I've always watched them, but more now. It has changed. A lot of people don't eat a lot of food anymore, which is good. They're just more of, eating and talking and story time and stuff like that. So, less eating. Like not too much. Real good. Very good. Let me know down in the comments, guys, if you like the chicken sandwich, if you had it, and if you liked it. Big no for baby doll. I think we're at like 85 now. We're getting to that 100, guys. I am excited. A lot of people be like, oh, why are you so excited about her? Listen. We got over that hump of getting just 10 subscribers. We're up to 85 now. So that's awesome. Tell your friend. Tell your mother. Tell your mother's friends. To come over and subscribe to the Dollhouse. I am getting full. That was a large order of fries. Good. And I added salt to them just fine. and they taste still the same. There was nothing different about it. Big Mac sauce, guys, it is so good. So good. Take one more bite, guys, and I'm done. Oh my God. Oh, that was good. I will stick to my burgers, guys. I will stick to my burgers. So, this was a review for the Chicken Big Mac. It is not horrible. It's edible. But the matchup for me is, I don't like it. So, I did not like it, but you might like it. Go out and try it. It is edible. Hope you enjoy. Let me know down in the comments if you liked it or not, if you tried it. But thank you very much. Thank you for coming by to the Dollhouse. And if you are not a supporter, if you are not a subscriber, make sure before you leave this video that you subscribe down in the bottom. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Excuse me. Make sure that you smash the share button. Share me out, guys, so we could get to 100. We're going to do a live at a restaurant or all you can eat somewhere. We will do a live for the 100 celebration, guys. I really appreciate you guys for supporting me and starting at with my journey, helping me out with my journey. Until next time, bye.